Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you can sign into the email account. Without access, start the provider's recovery flow. Once signed in, check for any backups or historical exports because they shorten recovery time. Make an immediate export of current contacts as CSV or VCF. This protects you while you experiment. Next, open Settings or the Admin Console and find the Contacts or Import/Export section. This is where you'll restore, merge, or import data. Move now to locate recovery options and recent backups. Once you've exported and located backups, import the CSV or VCF into the Contacts Manager. Carefully map columns like email, first name, last name so data lands correctly. If your provider offers a Restore from Backup feature, use it. This can roll back to a snapshot and save manual work. After import, use the Merge Duplicates tool to clean up overlapping entries, and then manually verify critical fields like email and phone. This ensures you have a usable, accurate contacts list moving forward. Finish by syncing the updated contacts across your devices, then send test messages to several entries to confirm deliverability. Once satisfied, make a fresh export and set up automated backups or a routine export cadence so you don't repeat this recovery. If you still see missing entries, check any connected third-party apps, delegated accounts, or recent account activity for deletions. Those sources often explain gaps. When things go wrong, act quickly. Restore the latest backup, and then re-import remaining exports to rebuild.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.